Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 7th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, big push down from last week on the tariff news. We are starting to push up a little bit, so I have my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down. You would kind of expect this move down to only be a wave A and that this move up potentially could be a wave B, or it might even still be a wave A. This is actually just a wave 4 of A, and then it goes down and makes a 5 of A, and then turns up for the wave B. Either way, whether it makes a wave 5 or not, I don't think it's that big of a deal because a wave 5 would probably just go down and make a double bottom. But I think that the next bigger move should potentially be a wave A, a wave B, which would be a crescent to the wave A. A wave B would normally go to, 50, 61, or 78% Fibonacci retracement. Now, if you go all the way up to the higher time frames, I am definitely still very bullish. I still think that this is eventually going to go up and take out these highs right here, and I still think this is only a wave one of a monthly time frame uptrend. So I'm definitely very bullish, and I honestly would not be surprised if this big push down was just a bear trap from the tariff news, and this thing does just keep on trending up because the trend is very heavily up on the daily, weekly, and monthly. So I am definitely still recommending longs. I think there's a good chance that this move right here may turn into a wave B, so we have to be a little bit cautious. If it goes up to a fib level, 3 waves up, and then it pulses down, then that definitely isn't the continuation of the uptrend. But if it just maintains impulsive movement, normal Fibonacci bounces and just keeps on going, then this move down possibly could just be a big old bear trap. I would definitely expect it to be a way B, but we'll just have to keep an eye on it and see. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.